You're gonna have to make peace with the fact that Kamogelo is gone. Learn to live with the grief.
We need to focus on moving forward. We shouldn't focus on the past, and that's the way I know I'll heal.
Lenga ngithi bayibiza bushman poison. Ithola khona endabeni zasemangusi. Qhamla juqulu. Uyayibilisa nje manzi bese iyadungeka nje obidungekile. Uyifakela uyifaka khona. Oh ibamba inhliziyo imentsi.
I'm the one onike amapolisa evidence. Miss Moroka. I'm the reason you went to jail.
Ayo, Mikey, alright.
Yo, mawubhekile ngi-right na?
Ngiyawukopa hle usikampantsiya.
Uthi nje ngifila ngathi ngifuna ukukhipha mani. Yazi basho ukuzojunakala lento yena le udokotela. Bengithatha amapilisi wayo lento leyo.
Ke kopa o kgutlele betheng ke tla o thusa.
Hayi ngishapha mani.
Okay, alright.
Oh,
Mikey, tlo go thusa.
okay.
Ke tla o tlisetsa thusa.
Hayi.
Hurry, Mikey.
Oh, okay.
Okay. O tlatsitse dipilisi.
Angazi yazi ngicabanga njalo.
Uska kgathatseha. Ke tla qala ka ntho e tla theolang lehlatso. E tla re ha o qeta e se theothowile. Ebe re tla continue he ka dipilisi tse ding.
Nkosi yami, hayi.
Wena baqama fela. Ke tla lo buisana le yena ha tlameha o bona o le tjena. E tla ga sa tsamaile ke tla go tla dipilisi tse ding again.
Yeah, never ngiyacela tu.
Okay.
Sure.
All right. Kwala mahlo fela for 10-15 minutes. Ke tla go tla.
Okay, Maki. Ngiyabonga yeso.
Oh, good morning.
Oh. Donam, usukulungela ukuhamba.
Yeah, I'm so excited to bona ispace sisha.
Oh, okay. Kahleka. Bamba nazi ikhi ubuthatha izinto zakho ubufaka ngasevenini. Ubaba usabengena indlovukazi yakhe.
Okay.
Yeah. Hawu, spaghetti. Ngovivu usula.
Hayi, ke tlo bona Lucy fela o ntsa robetse o khathetse.
Unesiqiniseko salokho?
What's working ke dipilisi. So ngile ke re o ska ba mkhathatsa.
Yeah. Okay, kulungileke. Ngisaphuthumisa le ngane le ndawo yakhe nje ngimbambele athi yakhe. Ngizosala kahle ne? Okay, thank you.
Morning, malume. Andinamdla breakfast.
Ga ke makale. Dula mo tšhentšhitse man. Ha o sale ngwana nane o mo innocent ha no fihla mo Joburg. Wa neng a mpulela mojako wa mokhukhu wa hae ha ke ne ke baleha di-mining.
Nawe kodwa malume, you're not the same frightened man ebesoyika ufika kwakhe kwami. Bawugula, ukhumbula? Unqoba impahla ezimavukuvuku jonga ngoku.
Kat, I'm here for Kamo's sake because he really loved you. So I'm here for him, not you. I'm here to warn you. You need to leave Rustenburg, Lulama, quickly. Because the Morokas are out for revenge.
You can't come with me.
Well, there's nothing left for me here except heartbreak.
You're still in mourning. It's always better with family. Plus, your clan leader, ba go tlhoka ha.
For in. Gore ke ya lebitleng la Kamo. He's gone, Kumo. He's gone. He's not coming back. It's probably her fault. Lulama. Gore Kamo wentse ntho a yentse. Because he wanted to run away from the family, run away with that village girl. Until he found out gore ke mollotsa o jwalo. He just couldn't handle it.
You're just upsetting yourself.
And Negara, she's so innocent. Sweet, church-going girl. Yeah, and then she goes and does something like that. Could I should have just listened to my first instincts. Lulu was always trouble and I shouldn't have let Kamo see her.
We tried. We tried all sorts of things.
It's the Moroka curse that made Kamo run into Saturn's arms.
We're not cursed. Gavit.
I mean, I wonder how she even found out Kakang ina ya kgosi.
Maybe Kamogelo told her. Yeah, he probably found out from his detective friend, Popam.
Right, Mosomo. So are you? Lomba lift Khotsaki, organizer driver.
Asike sidingo sokuthi nawe uthi ubloma lana man. Ngiyazi ukuthi ubusy.
Match. Tshela kwana go tshwaretse ditaba.
Iza nazo wena.
Ntando sana le girlfriend.
Lentwana yakho Ntando.
Ke o itse ka go market. Ntando mo tlebile se le modla ga hape. Hena ke re ke yana twisteng le go di t-shirt tsa hao tse ngata di rekiswe ka Women's Day. Nna ke mabaso.
Kazo ubani leyo cherry leyo.
Ke bona bothata. A ke tsebe Ntando a batlo mplela.
Hayi ma, ke manje wena ukena kanjani ukuthi vele une cherry.
Ke nana go maybe ka nna e mongwe banana bana ba kena sekolo le Ntando.
Hayibo, kanjani Nkosi yami? Ntando wakho phela yena uyi drop out.
Mike, a ke wena o mokintse e se le modla ga jwale. Ene batswadi ba banana ba ke ba humina ke ba mona fela ka ditšhelete. Ene jwale ba dula disabebeng. Ntando yena ke mabaso. Le yana ka nna gona o patala lobola ka tsatsi le leng.
Nkosi yami. The poor child usanda kuqala nje yazokuhlomba wena socabangana nemishado Chomi.
Chomi ha ona hana go betego gore a etse bana ka reng a ba hlome go hle mona ka reng ke dikipkipi nna ke tlo ba le bana ba di multicolors ke ben khono ya what Chomi a ke no gona.
Asa yoba ngishiza nje ukuthi hayi yona ayinkulu kakhulu.
Oh, it's perfect. Kodwa na engiphathe kuhle manje indaba ukuthi awufuni ukuthi ngibhadale.
Hayi. Angisebenzise le ndawo mina ngisebenzisa le wapse ngale. Ngihambe ngikwazi ukuthi ngideliver inyama yami la ngiyideliver khona. Khuleka wena mntana kodwa phela futhi uzosizakala ngoba nami mothi ngiyasondla ngingakunikeza lift mothi ngizangavu yabona?
Oh, une office ngaba?
Mina ne office. Nanti lami office mntana.
Ay, babujika kona. Sho, awufuni ukuthi ngibhadale. Sengisho amanzi or igezi.
Khuleka ugesi wala kade wabhadala. Kodwa makwenzeka ke mntanami uthi mhlawumbe phakane inqinamba ukuthi kugesi. Fonile mina. Awuyi kuma next door, okay?
Ukom?
Yabona into engisebenzisa abafundi ngaso sonke isikhathi babona umuntu omusha abakuthandisisi lokho so nje ngizwe kahle into engishoyo. Awuye next door uyangizwa?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, nama ngiphuthumeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngideliver inyama nyana kancane kodwa ngizobe ngibuyeke khona ngicela fanele sikulungise.
What?
Ngikhona ukubalekile. Efamily nawo sikulungise mangibuye. Baleke kakhulu.
Wa itse kgang e ya gore khotla ya rona ya telwe pele ke mosadi needs to come to an end. Batho ba ga ba nagane sentle ba.
I'm right here, Nwag. I can hear you.
Let's wait in the car, Mom, please.
Wa itse re le boleletse gore mosetsana yo a senne le ba moroka mo tafleng. Bona ngone ja. Kontse ja.
Oh, please. Lulu re tseditse rotlhe.
Maybe go tsieditse wena. E seng nna. Nna ke khale ke itse gore Matatiele is a fraud.
Kopa le menkokoloi.
Ariye, Mama.
ke tla kopa mo gore at least tsa dibeke tsa lona.
Maitse Khuma, we need to have a serious talk about leadership. Ke bona gore kgaitsedi ya gago is way too gullible.
Lulama Mzamani had a lot of evidence. Hard evidence. If no Zanayalo, my police in Kebatsuli. I wonder how she got it.
That's a good question.
You use my private office called Global Media, Kanekili Rwanda. The one on the empty floor where the fire started. Can I get all information about what Banti officing you, including Lulama, Likabage?
Well, I didn't spend that much time there.
Hey, I would have read up as much as possible in those files to see what's useful in them.
Well, I didn't.
Then we say Yankori Lulama ke fraud. Why it's all Genagana? Genagana or Wena. You tried to use the information I had on Lulama as leverage and it backfired.
You're talking in circles now.
To Kopanlene, go fishing you. Because I only ubon information on my sister. And so, Sirahori, you are responsible for Kiabetu getting arrested.
That's ridiculous.
Well, either way the damage is done, Kiabetu has suffered enough, so Kupau Kaukanele.
Well, she's still not a good clan leader.
Why it's all a Monabo Hello, only killing Konyata Kaitsedia Kakema, Kemonah. Yeah, so Kaukanale. Otherwise, you'll end up in the same ditch that you helped me dig up for the man. Mwakuskadi rakele balokoro sick.
Ke leboga go fitlhile. Ke batla o lo ba ka sone ke sa batla mo tloela le mo.
Of course. Lucy ke tšhomo ya ka ya kgale. Ke batla go mo ema nokeng.
Ai, una kula haholo fela dipilisi di a sebetsa.
That's good. And ke o lebohelwa na o re o ntlhokometse.
Lucy ha se motswalle fela go nna. O ntse tshwane fela le ngwaneso. So, ke kopa mo hlokomele le ka nnete.
Okay. Chama.
Hi, how are you feeling?
Chomi, you're right, just. Mara ba seng ke tseng so go tšo so gala man.
O na le matla enough go utlwa ditaba.
Oi, no kanjani bo zo hlala.
So, rural mama o gotlile di social scene wa poster hape.
Ai wena. O swazi.
Yena eo. O bile skotla se kana. Sa phutho le motomo o mokana wa amasi. Only organic for my unborn Zulu prince.
Hi, bo.
Amasi I made with milk straight from the cow. I am raising a strong Mabaso warrior who only eats proper Zulu food.
Ai bo, kanti yaba njani le ntombazana?
Eto.
Yazi lo yana. Ukringa ever na choma. O too snobbish man yazi for oh phuthu. Lapha khona ngathola ukuthi ushaya I deep fried mleqwa. Ne cold drink.
Or we play setlala because batlo dula ntse le motsetse repa.
Ai cha chobi ke boga for go thuzwa ga lo zongibona yazi.
Of course, Chomi.
Yes, Babji, I'm so excited. Kumnandi ukusebenzela endaweni netsha.
Kodwa phela isiphiwo sakho mntanami wasiphiwa okhokho bakho. Uyabona makwenzeka izinto kuyabona ukuthi hayi bakhuluma la kuwe. Zithini ithakazelo zakini mntanami?
Well, ngingumoyo. Uchiranda ugono samayita dewa.
Oh. Cha kuhle ke izwakala. Uzani ke kithi nabo moyo? Bo Chirando. Bo Gonondo bo
Samayita.
Bo Samayita.
Kuhle baba, you know, akabaluleki konke lokho. Ngoba I was adopted sort of. Kuhle ngizazi ukuthi ngingubani.
Oh, nokulungile mntami inkinga ayikho ngoba lapha kwamabasi hayi amadlozi akhona nezandla ezimhlophe azokwamukela mngwana ngizokuvele ngibike ngabo uma vele nala kusekhaya Omntu ngambulaze denadla umuntu eminyanga ngendaba nina enadla iyelele kodwa abantu bangakwazi ukuzidla phakamani bomntunga nenehla ngesilulu abafowazana behla ngezinyawo anisingangitheni lengane niyithande niyenzeni ingane yokamoya ibheka ubuhle bayo ngoba ilahlekile nje isemgaqweni izintandane sondelani nebomntunga niyenze ukuthi izazi ukuthi ubani igqatshe ukuthi ubani ingapheli nje emgaqweni into engeyilutho iphamisa ingene sayo lengane nebomntunga nisondeze nabantu bakubo bangempela ukuthi abasondele babone ubuhle balengane ngendlela eyenze ngayo phambi omkhulu bamuntu obuhle phakama mntunga wakithi
It's good to be back home.
Eish, ga utlwisise. Ba moroka ba ne ba o file lehae. Ba o treata jwale ka family.
Zange banitreat ukwefamily. Le nto yaqala mhla ukhama ngqenyane ngomamakhe.
Hobane a bolele ntate wa hae.
Ewe. Ndamthembisa uba soze ngixelele mntu. Kodwa zange andithande la mama. Ebengafuni uba ndithanda nokama. Kuba kaloku ubona nje intombazana yase-Alex ihlale Alex ehluphekileyo. She always let me know uba I was not good enough. Xasiba mna I'm good enough uba ndibe yimate yakhe instead of his girlfriend.
Ke ya moroka ga utlwisise gore lerato la nnete ha lena class.
It wasn't just her, malume. No malume babakam bakhohlakele nabo. And we are no different from them. Kanje thina we didn't get the opportunities that they had. And they have no right to look down on us.
So wa acta ka mo moroka ane aka acta ka teng.
Ai,
Wa sebela maponisa. Wa ka monna o morata. Ke behavior ya ba moroka eo.
ndimxelele kodwa ugange uba kwenzeke ntoni. Noba kutheni umama kabanjiwe. And wandixelela kube indithanda.
Ka mo o ne a le kuti for lefatshe lena. Ba o silafaditse ba moroka.
Uthetha ukuthini malume?
Re tlameha ho ya hae hore o ilo hlapa. Ho ba involved le batho bana ba o silafaditse. Ba tshweditse moya wa hao. Ba kudisitse pelo ya hao lulama. Mme o tlameile ho hlapa. Na o ne o ntse o nkutlwa hore ke reng? Re tlameile hore re ye hae. Hore seo se ska o destroya.
Ungathenza.
Yo,
Hi.
you told me message wa Dinsa.
Chitel,
Orietsa.
Sure.
Consider stuff for protection.
Wenza kuhle. Ngoba last time wakhamba wanyamalala khange usabuya. Wo? Chitel.
I'm so sorry hore thusoile fela. Jack insisted. Le qeta go
Yeah, 20 minutes ago. Traffic was horrendous.
next time I'm not tla o bona what's ba. I thought they'd keep you there for much longer.
No, I was tired of the family. And besides, this was Kamu's home. It's in Rustenburg. Can I get you a glass of wine? Sophia or Swera a bottle for now. I was going to have it upstairs. Bath.
Yeah, I'd love one.
Okay.
Maybe we should go upstairs. Give the boys a chance to have a heart-to-heart.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Grab this one.
Ngiyazwelana nawe ngokulahlekelwa kwakho.
I don't need your fake condolences, Mabas.
Hayi. Ngiyaqonda ukuthi udiniwe ngale ndaba ye-Triple M. Mina ngaboni ithi bangalibhozomela. Nawe wawungenza into efanayo. Kodwa ngempela ngiyazwelana nawe ngendaba kaKamayelo. Ngilethe ibhodlela leli njengesicelo sokuthi nje sidala uxolo.
25-year-old.
Ngabona ukuthi unebhodlela elifana nalo ngenkathi ungibonisa iqoqo lakho.
Ulikrili kai.
Ngalithola kumngani wami uWalter Nkaba. Uthi lawe enqule.
Well, it's looking good, considering.
Hayi lihle lona. Futhi leli ungaliphuza.
Awuqedela ke ikutla ke thabile so. Ke hanne ke fumana license.
Ay, mina ngirarwa ukuthi kwenze kanjani ukuthi umuntu abe cute nacedla kumbeke ngendlela okumbeke ngayo. Same time ebesidlayela. Hayi.
Hayi, ake sihlayela wena.
Yadlala usingiso, sorry. Yeah, cute. Ubumbeke kuhle. Bekodwa you are good at loving.
Serious.
Yeah, serious.
Sebe.
Genau, pass auf. Ja, ma.
Sebe.
Hebo, no masebe. Ne ke nana go ntho tsena tsa hao tsa atu di etsetsa studio. O etsa go betse Lucy ha tlo tlhaba ke eo ya ibona.
Mama Seb. Ntwe ke bona mo ke yona ke nahanang gore ke yona.
Ntando.
I get why someone would be mad at my mum. She can be cold, it's her way or no one's way. And she's a real snob. She drives me insane. But geez, Lulu, to have her arrested after all these years for murdering someone in self-defense.
I wasn't thinking straight.
Prison nearly killed her. She was put into isolation. She ended up self-harming and ended up having a nervous breakdown.
I'm patanga kaklenam lento, okay? God, you don't know how complicated the situation was.
I don't care. What you did was sick and it was twisted.
Stop. Se etsahetse. Ho mo bitsa ka mabitso ho keke ha fetola anything. Lulu wa tseba hore se a sentseng ke phoso. Molato ona wa mo kudisa. Ebile le dijo ha di sa dula mo yena.
Are you still throwing up?
Si stress nje.
Maybe you're pregnant. That would be the perfect twist after everything.
O se ke wa joka ka ntwe jwalo.
for sure.